Okay, so chapter is Sif number 20. And it says, a daughter should not recite Kaddish in a synagogue. However, there are those who say that if they wish to assemble a minyan in her home, in order that she recite Kaddish there, they are permitted to do so. Knesset here Haskel. Other authorities says, however, that even this should not be done. So, response of Chavos Yair. So let's say, for appropriate manner, through which a daughter can earn merit, for an appropriate merit for which a daughter can earn merit for her departed parents. See the final words of CF 22. So it's not okay. So that's it. So my explanation why women should not say Kaddish. So the attention of all men. So let's say she assembled a minyan, right? Let's say, but all of them are going to look at her, and it's very improper.